first sort the maximum bend angle column. Okay, so click, then select sort A through Z. And now it is sorted from the least to the most. Okay, so from the lowest value to the highest value. So your minimum is of this data set is 132.33. So type 132.33. And then the maximum of this data set is 152.33. So 152.33. So I just copied that number, and then this number goes to the min. Next, we need to get the first quartile or the lower quartile, and you can get that from the first through the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th value, and look where the middle of the 10 values are. The middle is the 5th and the 6th number. Okay, so the middle is the 5th and the 6th number. There's no middle number, but there's the 5th and the 6th. So you get the average of that. So 138.67 plus 138.67 divided by 2, you'll end up with 138.67, right? And then the third quartile would be from 11 through 20. So let me see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're looking at numbers 11 through 20. And then we're going to look for the 15th and the 16th number because there's no middle number here. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So add this 2 up divided by 2. So to do that, I could also do the average. So I'll just click here, okay, on a random cell, and then click average of these 2 numbers, okay, 16 and 17, or 15 and 16, I meant, the 15th and the 16th number. Press enter, and I get 146.84. So let me just double check that just to be sure that I got that right. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that's right. So I just typed this in there. 146.84. So I don't want to have a formula here. I want just to type it in. 146.84. So let me delete this. Now let's create our chart. Okay, so first select all of these cells. So from the title, mean maximum bend angle, to the minimum, the Q1, the Q3, and the max. And then insert chart. Insert chart. And if the chart type isn't the candlestick chart, so go down and look for candlestick chart, which is this one. Okay, and then if you require at least 5 column but only 1 provided, you might want to go click here, unclick here, or click here. Okay, you might get something different. So click here or take off the check if there is a check. Okay, so next we are going to change the values of the numbers here. Okay, so double click. And we want to put the minimum value to, so the minimum number, okay, is 132. So we probably want our label to start at 130. Okay, and then the maximum that we get here is 152.33, which is that. And so our maximum label, okay, number is 155, which is already there already. So we'll put 155. Okay, so next, so close the vertical axis by clicking here on this arrow, and then go down where it says grid lines and ticks. And then for the step, let's say we want a step value of 1. And then notice what happens. Now we got 130, 132. Let me extend that. There you go. So let me just extend this. I think that's what it was. So I extended this. Now I see all the numbers from 130 to 155. We got your title already here. So let's click on this title. And then when I clicked on this, it activated chart titles and axis. And we could just delete this text, okay, because we already have a label down there, which is the same as the title that was written above a while ago. So let's just do mean maximum bend angle here. So that's it. That's how you get the mean maximum bend angle candlestick chart.